In this video, let's take a look at the sixth query method, which is getByAltText. getByAltText will return the element that has the given alt text. This method only supports elements which accept an alt attribute like image, input, area, or custom HTML elements. Let's understand the usage with an example. In the application component, below the paragraph tag, I'm going to copy-paste an input element. Here, the source attribute does not really matter. What is important is the alt attribute. Its value is a person with a laptop. Now, we can find this element in our test using the getByAltText query. In application.test.tsx, const image element is equal to screen.getByAltText, and we pass in a person with a laptop. In the next line, we expect the image element to be in the document. If we save the file, the test passes. If I now change the alt text, we can see the test fails. Our query method works as expected. To summarize, getByAltText returns the element that has the given alt text. It only supports elements which accept an alt attribute like image, input, area, or custom HTML elements. For our example, we created an image element and found it in our test using getByAltText query. And that is our sixth query method. Thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.